Okay, this is the laptop. I'm coming to replace the keyboard. Okay, the first thing you have to take out all the screw back of the laptop. So many screws. Make sure you take out all the screw back of the laptop. So many screws back of the laptop. Make sure you take out all the screw. Okay, don't leave any screw. After I take out all the screw back of the laptop, okay, you try to open it. You can use a pincet. Just place this back over like this. Use your hand. After you open it a bit, just open it like this. Put one side. Now you need to take out everything, even the battery. You have to take out everything. So you disconnect the battery first. Okay. Remove the hard disk. Just slide it in like that. Okay. Take out the battery. Battery is a clip here. See the clip at the side, just open it. Remove the battery. Put it one side. Okay. You need to remove the motherboard. Take out all the screws. Disconnect all these connectors. This one the keyboard connector, remove it. This one for the mouse. Okay. Remove the speakers. Remove this plate tip on top, so you can have access to remove the connector for the speakers. So it's here. Disconnect it. Okay. Remove the LCD cable. Disconnect it. Just set it up like this. Okay. Disconnect the Wi-Fi cable. Remove everything. Remove the CMOS battery. Disconnect it because you need to take out the motherboard. Remove the solar connector, goes to the camera, front camera. Okay, remove all the screws. Try to take out the motherboard. Okay, you put the screws different place. The inside screw, don't mix them with the one outside. Remove the processor fan. Put the one place. Remove this one also here. Disconnect the cable. Take out the fan, put it one side. Okay, remove all the screws here on the motherboard. Try to remove the motherboard. You check after you remove 1, 2, 3 screw. You have to check and see if there's any other screw on the motherboard you need to take out. Don't just ace the motherboard just like that. You check for screws. Okay, if you see that all the screws come out, just take out the motherboard, remove it, put it one side. Okay, now you need to remove the keyboard. You take out this plastic first. Remove it very nice because you have to replace it back. If you don't replace it back, when you fix the motherboard might short. Okay, this one protect the motherboard not to get short. Okay, remove this connector because the plastic pass down there. Just open the connector like this. It's hard a bit because the glue is there, so try to open it slowly. Okay, take out the plastic. You fix it back later. Okay, you need to remove all those sled tape here because you need to take out the keyboard. Okay, this keyboard don't have no screw. You just need to use all the clip up. Okay, take out all the sled tape, all this one, remove them. This one, just bend it like this. Okay, just bend like this. Okay, now you need to remove the keyboard. Find a bit hard pencil like this. You just put it inside like this. Okay, just assess it up. All this clip. When you finish, you use Serdang to fix it. Also, you will see the way I'll fix it when I finish. Okay, just ace it up like this. Okay, this one is the on and off side. Be careful, just do it slowly because you have to fix it back very nice. Okay, okay, another option, this is the only option you have to open it. You just have to open it firstly like this because it's all clip. Take them out, remove it like this. Okay, okay, now it's time to fix the new keyboard. Okay, you just try to put it inside first. Make sure everything is up. Okay, make sure you rest properly like this. Okay, after you rest properly like this, then you start burning the rubber. Use solder iron. You see this rubber, inside you see rubber like this, just put the solder in and bend it and hold it like this. Don't leave it. Don't scared, nothing happens to you. Just bend it like this. Okay, okay, just bend it and you just hold it with your hand a few minutes, then get dry. You have to do it everywhere, just like this. Okay, make sure you bend all the rubber side, just like this. Just put your hand there, nothing happens. You help the rubber to get dry and become very flat, like this. So I can hold the keyboard very nice. Just bend it. Okay, like this. You have to do it everywhere. When you see the rubber there, you have to do it like this, so the keyboard will rest properly. Be careful for this connector side when you're here. Okay, some places when you see that the rubber is down, you use another rubber. I will show you that one. You use it also, so that the keyboard will rest properly that side. Let's say if you remove the keyboard, that side is totally down, you cannot able to bond into the solder. And you can use the rubber. I will show you the rubber also. Make sure you bond it everywhere. Okay, after you bond, fix all the other side that you can fix. The other side you cannot fix, you have to find something like this. Okay, you just melt it a bit. Okay, you just pour a bit inside like this. Okay, you just pour it inside like this. Okay, it helps to hold the keyboard very nice. Okay, you do it everywhere. The places know that you cannot bond with the solder, and you just use this rubber. You can get it from many shop, from DIY, from many shop. You can get it there. DIY is selling it. Okay, you just put it like this to help to hold the keyboard. Then you blow it with your mouth so it get dry very fast. Okay, make sure you put it everywhere. You know that you're supposed to put to hold the keyboard very well. Okay. When you burn it, you make sure you blow it so it dry fast. Okay. Make sure you put all the places you know that it's supposed to put. Make sure you put the all very nice so the keyboard can rest properly, cannot come out very fast. Okay. After you fix the keyboard very nice, or you already fix all this glue very nice. Okay, before you put the motherboard, okay, now you just need to put this plastic first to protect the motherboard not to get short. Don't forget, make sure you put this plastic. It's very important. Okay, put it very nice like this. You see the position is very nice. Just put it there, nice one like this. Okay, Now you need to remove this tape, this slow tape here, so you can get the glue. Then you make sure you put the keyboard there. Make sure the keyboard rests there properly, exactly straight, like this. Okay, straight one like this. Okay, now you just bend it up a bit like this, so that you can go inside the laptop like this. Okay, now you put the motherboard. Just put it very nice. Okay, then you replace all the screws. Okay, you take out back from the motherboard. Okay, put back the processor fan. Don't forget, make sure you put everything back you take out. Okay, connect the connector also. Okay, put this one also here. Okay, fix back the connector. Don't forget. Make sure you fix it very nice. Put back the LCD cable. Okay, fix back the speaker. Nice one. How you take it? Okay, fix back the mouse cable. You have to fix everything very nice, exactly how you take it. Now you fix the keyboard cable. Make sure you go inside very well. Rest properly before you close it. Okay, fix back the network cable. The white, you see the white arrow, you know the white for the white arrow. Okay, don't mix them up. Okay, black for the black arrow. Fix them very nice. Okay, you check everywhere. Anywhere you see there's a screw and you see the arrow is there, that means that place is supposed to get a screw. Then you put the screw there. You check for the screw hole. If you see the screw hole, you see some arrow there, you know this place is supposed to get a screw. You have to put the screw there. Okay, you fix this camera front camera cable also. Fix it very nice. Okay, now you fix the battery. Fix the battery very nice. Fix the connector inside. Very nice. Okay, the battery is clipped. Make sure the clip go inside like this very well. And clip this other side also. Okay, fix back the hard disk just like this. Okay, now you put back the back cover. Don't forget, fix back the CMOS battery. That's why it's good to check everything before you close the laptop. Make sure you check everywhere very nice. Everything is fixed perfectly. Okay, then now you put the back cover. Okay, close it very nice. Okay, you replace all the screw. You take out that from there. Okay, so many screws. Make sure you replace all the screw. Okay, make sure you place all the screw back of the laptop. Don't leave any screw behind. Okay, okay, after I close the laptop, everything, okay, then you on the laptop. Okay, the laptop is on. Okay, you go to shard. As you can see at the corner here, you go to the shard down here. As you can see at the corner here, you see the shards from down here. You just press the key. You see if the keys are working. You can see all the keys moving. You delete. It's deleting. All the keys working very nice. As you can see, everything is okay. That means it's okay.
Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.